you are watching this video, it means you want to start an online business. Starting a business can seem super overwhelming at first, but it really doesn't have to be. Stay with me because in today's video, I reveal the 6 essential steps to starting a business. Whether you want to sell services or products, you should first follow these steps if you want to do it the right way and kick off your business successfully. Kick things off with a great business idea. You really need a solid business idea if you want to succeed. Once you got your concept, focus on making a product or service that meets what people need. But hold on, before you dive in, it's super important to do some market research. Conduct research on your small business idea. This part is key since about 79.4% of new businesses don't last past their first year. So, by understanding your market and planning ahead, you can really boost your chances of making it big. Now let's talk about how good research can really boost your business. After brainstorming your small business idea, the next crucial step is to check its viability. Doing some solid market research is key to figuring out if your concept is worth chasing. First off, understanding what your customers want is a game changer. Figure out your target customers. Check out who get the most out of your product. Think about stuff like age, where they live, and even if they're married or not. That way you tailor your products or services to match what they're expecting. Talk to your audience. Once you know who you're aiming for, run some surveys and chat with people to get more insights. And don't forget about social media. It's a great spot to connect with them. Check out your competitors. Looking at what else is out there can really help you see what's already in your industry and how you can make your idea better. Plus, you spot any weaknesses in your own product or service before you invest a lot of time and money. Don't forget to take note of their prices too. It will give you a good sense of what customers are willing to pay for similar product or service. Taking a look at your competitors will give you a great insights into your target audience and what they like. Prototype testing. Create a prototype or a minimum viable product, MVP, and test it with a small group. Watch how they interact with it and get their thoughts. Make your new business official. Alright, so once you have put in the effort to research your idea and believe it can really thrive in the market, it's time to take things up a notch and make your business official. Here's what you need to do. Register your business with your state. This gives you a green light to use your brand's name legally. Grab the right licenses and permits. Depending on what kind of business you have, this could mean getting food, liquor, health, or other licenses. Get a tax ID number. This helps the IRS keep tabs on your transactions, and you need it to open a bank account. That is the next step. Get a business bank account. Once you've made your business official, it's super important to set up a separate bank account for it. This way you can keep your personal and business expenses separate, which makes accounting and tax time way easier. When picking a bank, think about things like fees, what services they offer, and if they have good online banking. Plus, having a dedicated business account looks more professional and helps with managing your cash flow. Just make sure you have all the necessary documents, like your business registration and tax ID number, ready before you head to the bank to open your account. And if you open an LLC, you can do it remotely. Start building your online presence. You can really build a solid business without putting in some time and money. Plus, you got to promote it and have a good marketing plan in place. In today's digital world, having an online presence is super important because it helps potential customers find and connect with you more easily. Start by setting up a professional website that shows off your brand and gives people the info they need about what you offer. And don't forget to optimize it for search engines to help with visibility. Then get on social media to engage with your audience. Pick the platforms where your target market hangs out and share fun content regularly, like updates, promotion, and some behind-the-scenes looks at your business. Considering investing in online advertising to boost your reach further. And finally, don't forget to encourage customer reviews and testimonials, as this can significantly enhance your credibility and attract new clients. As you develop your online presence, remember that consistency and authenticity are key to building trust and maintaining engagement with your audience. Start your ads campaign. From 2024, I no longer recommend beginning to sell immediately through ads. You can run ads campaigns on platforms like Facebook and TikTok later, once you have a certain following on social media. If you are unsure how to build an online business and fear making mistakes that could waste your time and money, I am currently offering a lesson done for you. A completely personalized done-for-you lesson tailored to your individual situation. You not only know how to proceed, but also have solid strategies customized for you. If you are interested, click the link below for more information. I only have 10 spots available right now. If you have questions, you can subscribe and put them in the community section in the questions corner. Every Tuesday, I'll answer the questions from channel subscribers live. It will be like a free consultation, so take advantage of it. If you found this video interesting, give it a like. See you in the next video.